Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to enable TalkBack function to say capital when we have capital letters and how to disable this function in Realme 14 Pro phone. First of all, we need to go to settings. Then in settings we need to scroll to accessibility and convenience, then accessibility. Next we need to tap the vision tab and here we have our TalkBack options. Next, in the top right corner, we have this cog menu, which we need to open, and then we need to open the verbosity functions. We have a lot of options here, but we are interested in this capital letters option right here. When we open it, we have few things to choose from. We can do nothing, say the capital option, which we are interested in, we can change the pitch and play the sound. So we tap say capital, and we have our options set. That's all.